Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that BeatSwap token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, BeatSwap BTX is a Web3 platform transforming music rights into blockchain powered assets, enabling transparent royalty sharing, fan engagement and decentralized trading of tokenized intellectual property IP. BeatSwap remaining music rights as programmable RWAs, leveraging BTX to bridge creators, fans, and investors. Its dual reward system and multi-chain architecture aims to create a transparent, participatory music economy. Can it scale while maintaining fair loyalty distribution amid evolving Web3 adoption? BeatSwap project institution rating is 3.5 and this project audited by Ceratic. BeatSwap token total supply is 1.5 billion and circulating supply is around 224 million BTX token. BTX token is listed on Binance Alpha, XT.com, Gate.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.